In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete wrongly sent email from Microsoft Outlook email client. Before we jump into the steps, here's the key context you need. The recall message feature in Outlook only works under very specific conditions. It's designed for organization accounts, like work or school accounts that use Microsoft Exchange, and it only works when both you and the recipient are inside the same organization. If you sent the email to someone outside your organization, or if either side isn't on Exchange, recall will fail. Most importantly, recall only works if the recipient hasn't read the message yet. Once it's opened, recall can't remove it. Now, if you're on an organization account and the conditions are met, here's how to try recalling a message. Go to your Sent Items folder and open the email you want to take back. In the message window, look for the three dots, usually on the right side of the toolbar. Click those to open more options. From the dropdown, choose Advanced Actions. In that menu, you should see Recall Message. Click Recall Message, and Outlook will attempt to pull the email back as long as it hasn't been read yet. That's the entire process. Quick, but timing and account type are everything. If you don't see the recall message option at all, that usually means you're using a personal Outlook account. Personal accounts don't support recalling sent emails. This is because once the email leaves Microsoft servers and heads to another provider, Outlook can't retrieve it. For personal accounts, the practical alternative is undo send. Instead of pulling a message back after it's gone, undo send gives you a brief delay right after you hit send. With this, Outlook waits a few seconds, typically 5 or 10, before actually sending the message. If you change your mind during that short window, you can click undo to stop it from leaving. Keep in mind, once those seconds pass, the email is sent and can't be recalled or canceled. To wrap up, recall can work for organization accounts when the message is unread and stays within your organization. For personal accounts, rely on undo send to give yourself a small safety buffer. Act quickly, double-check recipients before sending, and use that brief delay to prevent mistakes from leaving your outbox.